Welcome back to Cities Pulse Explorers, best places to visit in Lima. Today we are in Lima, Peru, a vibrant capital where ancient history walks the streets alongside you. The energy here is unbelievable. From the cliffs overlooking the Pacific Ocean to the colonial balconies, Lima is a feast for the eyes. Lima is considered one of the gastronomic capitals of the world. Every meal is an adventure, a discovery. We're about to embark on a journey through the best places to visit in Lima. We'll meet the people, we'll see the sights, and yes, we will eat. This is Lima, a city of kings, a city of flavors, a city of endless surprises. Let's go! We're in Miraflores, on the Malecón boardwalk. Perched high on incredible cliffs, the vast Pacific Ocean stretches out before us. Walk for miles with lush parks on one side and breathtaking ocean views on the other. You'll see families, joggers, and couples enjoying the scenery. Down below, surfers await the perfect wave. Above, paragliders soar. This coastline is a playground, a place for reflection and adventure. The Malecón is an essential Lima experience, a place to savor. Continuing along the Malecón, we arrive at the Parque del Amor, the Park of Love. Its centerpiece is the sculpture El Beso, or The Kiss, by artist Victor Delfin. Around it, undulating mosaic walls display romantic quotes. All the while, enjoy stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. As the sun sets, the sky transforms. The Park of Love is a must-see in Lima. Okay, from the beauty of the coast, we're now stepping back in time. Way back. We're at the Larco Museum, and let me tell you, this is not your average stuffy museum. This place is alive. It's housed in this stunning 18th century viceroyal mansion, which is built on top of a 7th century pre-Columbian pyramid. Right away, you know you're somewhere special. The history here is literally in the foundations. As soon as you walk through the gates, you're greeted by these incredibly beautiful, lush gardens, with vibrant bougainvillea spilling over the whitewashed walls. It's an oasis of tranquility in the middle of a bustling city. The Larco Museum holds one of the most incredible collections of pre-Columbian art in the world. We're talking about 4,000 years of Peruvian history, all under one roof. Walking through the main galleries is like taking a masterclass in ancient Peruvian civilizations. You see the intricate textiles, the stunning gold and silver work, the ceremonial objects that tell the stories of the Moche, the Nazca, the Chimu, and so many other cultures that thrived here long before the Inca. After the Larco Museum, we're heading into the heart of it all. This is the Plaza Mayor, also known as the Plaza de Armas. It's like stepping out of a time machine. Look at this place. It's the living, breathing epicenter of Lima's story. Francisco Pizarro founded the city here in 1535. You have the government palace, the Archbishop's palace, and City Hall. And what's a grand plaza without a grand fountain? It's the perfect centerpiece, a place where people gather. It's a meeting point, a landmark, a source of city pride, a grand, beautiful, and unmissable starting point for understanding this incredible city. Now let's get a closer look at that cathedral. The Lima Metropolitan Cathedral is the star of the plaza. Just look at the immense facade. It's been knocked down by earthquakes and rebuilt bigger and better each time. Stepping inside is a whole other experience. And the altars, my goodness, they are gilded, golden wonders. This cathedral is the final resting place of the city's founder, Francisco Pizarro. It's a place of solace, of beauty, and of immense historical significance. Leaving the cathedral, you feel like you've just been somewhere truly special. What a place! Welcome to Barranco, Lima's most colorful and creative neighborhood. Here, every street bursts with vibrant murals and bold street art. The walls are a living gallery, colorful, expressive, and full of life. Cafes, music, and laughter spill out onto the lively streets. Barranco is pure inspiration, a bohemian heart that beats with color and creativity. It's impossible not to fall in love with this place. Here it is, the legendary Puente de los Suspiros, the Bridge of Sighs. It's a simple wooden bridge, surrounded by lush greenery and flowers, radiating romance. They say if you cross it for the first time holding your breath, your wish will come true. It's a symbol of love and longing, immortalized in songs and poems. Couples stroll hand in hand, friends take photos, and everyone pauses to enjoy the view. This bridge is the heart of Barranco, romantic, poetic, and unforgettable. This is going to blow your mind. Right in the middle of Miraflores, one of Lima's most modern neighborhoods, is this, Huaca Pucllana, a giant ancient pyramid made of adobe and clay that predates the Incas. Built by the Lima culture, this ceremonial center was considered a giant hill for centuries. It wasn't until the 1980s that archaeologists began to uncover its true scale. You can take a guided tour, see excavation sites, and learn about the rituals that took place here. It's an experience that puts ancient and modern side by side. It's uniquely, wonderfully Lima. You think you've seen fountains before? Lima is about to redefine what a fountain is. We're heading to the magic water circuit, and the name does not lie. It's a full-blown spectacle, a water ballet playing under the stars. Walking into this park is like entering a different dimension. It's a whole park, a complex of 13 mesmerizing fountains. It's like the Bellagio had a baby with Disneyland, raised by a wizard in Peru. Each fountain has its own personality. Some are grand, others playful and interactive. Everyone has a smile as wide as the Amazon River. And the sound. It's a symphony synchronized with the dancing jets of water. You find yourself completely captivated. It's pure, unadulterated joy. It's human ingenuity and nature coming together in harmony. The main show happens on this massive wall of water. This is a communal experience, a shared moment of wonder. Let's explore the structures of Pachacamac, a metropolis of faith that drew people from all over the ancient Andes. The Temple of the Sun is a massive terraced pyramid. The remnants of red and yellow paint show how vibrant it once was. There's also the older Temple of Pachacamac, home to the Oracle. Standing here, you're at the epicenter of a belief system that shaped empires. Leaving Pachacamac, you carry a piece of its silence and history, putting modern Lima into perspective. It's a crucial part of understanding Peru. The roots here run deep into this sacred ground. What an incredible, unforgettable morning. After Pachacamac, we need an oasis. El Olivar Park, in the heart of San Isidro, is perfect. It's like a Mediterranean grove, a living national monument with ancient olive trees. Right in the middle of Lima. The first saplings came from Spain in the 1560s. From 3 little trees, this forest grew. The city fades, replaced by birds and rustling leaves. It's an instant decompression chamber. It's the city's collective backyard. Gorgeous. There's a profound sense of peace here. It's a green jewel, and I am so happy we found it. We're diving into the heart of Lima, the Mercado de Surquillo. It's not just a market, it's an explosion of life, a sensory experience. The colors alone are enough to make you dizzy with joy. Mountains of reds, greens, yellows. It's like a painter's palette you can eat. The chatter of vendors, the sizzle of street food. Chefs from fancy restaurants come here for inspiration, to find the freshest ingredients. And the smells. The sweet perfume of mangoes and passion fruit, mixed with earthy potatoes and zesty cilantro. It tells the culinary story of Peru. It's about experiencing a place with every part of your being. It's a conversation without words, a universal language of food. You're a participant in the daily delicious life of Lima. After the market, we need some fresh air. Welcome to the Costa Verde, the Green Coast. It's an incredible ribbon of life between Lima and the Pacific, a place of stunning contrasts. The scale is amazing, with majestic cliffs hugging the coastline. The road offers a perfect drive between the ocean and cliffs. People have embraced it, building parks and walkways into the landscape. Listen to the powerful sound of the Pacific. Watching the waves crash is mesmerizing. This isn't a tropical beach, but something with more character. It's a place for contemplation, to escape the city and reconnect with nature. Surfing is a way of life here. From pros to beginners, the water is filled with people passionate about riding the waves. There's a real community that shares a love for the ocean. You can do it too. Surf schools are all along the beach. Find a spot at a beachfront cafe and watch the show. As the sun sets over the Pacific, the silhouettes of surfers create a movie-like scene. The Costa Verde is the city's playground, its front porch to the Pacific Ocean. It's something truly special and unforgettable. Ready to experience Lima after dark? Let's dive into the city's most unforgettable clubs and bars. Start your night in Barranco, Lima's bohemian heart, where colorful bars line the streets and live music spills from every doorway. Ayahuasca Bar is a must, set in a restored mansion. It's famous for creative cocktails and a lively, eclectic crowd. For a true taste of Peru, try a pisco sour at Juanito de Barranco, a classic spot where locals and travelers mingle. If you love to dance, head to La Noche de Barranco. This legendary club pulses with live bands and DJs spinning everything from salsa to rock. Over in Miraflores, the party continues at Aura, a glamorous nightclub with dazzling lights and a high-energy dance floor. For rooftop views and signature drinks, visit Lima Bar at the top of the city. perfect for sipping cocktails under the stars. Ready for a shopping adventure? Lima is home to some of South America's most impressive malls. Our first stop is Larcomar, a stunning open-air mall built right into the cliffs of Miraflores, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Here, you'll find international brands, Peruvian designers, and some of the city's best restaurants with ocean views. Next up is Jockey Plaza, Lima's largest mall, famous for its variety of shops and lively atmosphere. From luxury boutiques to popular global brands, Jockey Plaza is a shopper's paradise. There's even a cinema and entertainment zone for families and friends to enjoy. For a more local vibe, check out Real Plaza Saliveri, a favorite among Limeños for its relaxed atmosphere and great selection of stores. Plaza San Miguel is another must-visit, especially for families. It's packed with shops, restaurants, and fun activities for kids. No matter which mall you choose, you'll discover Lima's love for style, food, and fun. So grab your bags and get ready to explore the best malls Lima has to offer. What an adventure we've had in Lima. History, art, food, and unforgettable people. From ancient pyramids to vibrant markets, every moment here is full of life and color. Lima's flavors, from ceviche to pisco sours, are matched only by the warmth of its people. Kindly subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.